Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another progressive income video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video I'll just be going over 5 ways I personally save money online. So a lot of these are Chrome extensions or websites you can use, and the first one I'll be bringing up is Rakuten. So basically what Rakuten does is it gives you cash back on different websites that you shop at. So for example, on this Nike website here, because I have the Chrome extension installed of Rakuten, and by the way guys, if you want to install this, I'll put a link down in the description which you can download it straight from if you want. So basically you see how it says activate 10% cash back. So once you click this, for example, if you spend $100, you'll be getting $10 back. It might not sound like a lot, but over time, if you shop frequently, that definitely saves a lot of money. And an example I want to bring about this is, for example, Canva here. So as you can see, Canva is a website that I use and is basically a membership, and this membership is $20 a month. And with Rakuten, I basically used it to get 40% cash back, and 40% is around $8, so $8 of $20, and that's quite a lot that you're saving. Over time, you can save lots of money through this way. Now the second app is Honey. So Honey is another Chrome extension. So basically what Honey does is it automatically applies coupons at the checkout process of different websites.
Let's go get some coupons.
For example, I'm trying to buy this hoodie and this shirt from Culture Kings. This is my total here, $239.90, and you can just press apply coupons, and as you can see, it's testing each coupon one by one. Sometimes none of the codes work, and that's just how it is, but a lot of the time the code can work depending on what website you use or how much you spend. So that's the second one. And the third one is Pricespy or PriceMe. So basically it's a website that compares a product to different retailers and finds different prices for you, and you can find the cheapest one from there and save money. Now Pricespy and PriceMe are both in New Zealand only. However, if you're watching this from outside New Zealand, you can just search site that compares different prices of products, and I'm sure you'll find something. So with Pricespy, we have all these different categories, and let's say I'm looking to buy an iPhone 11. So you go into this phones and GPS, and if you scroll down, you can see all these different retailers. So you can see PB Tech is selling it for $898.99. You're saving over $100. Now the next one, often on TikTok or Instagram, you're probably scrolling and you find an ad for a product that you really like. A lot of these products are drop shipped. So if you guys don't know what drop shipping is, it's basically when someone buys something from a cheap website and sends it straight to your house, but they upsell it and charge you extra for it.
Say what?
So for example, I literally opened TikTok and this was one of the first ads that came up, the Lux set. And I can already tell this is a dropshipped site. And how you can tell is if there's like a price that's crossed out and a price that's next to it, and just the overall look of it. So from here, I just gathered what this looks like and just searched it on AliExpress, which is where most dropshippers are getting their items from. And as you can see, it's almost identical. I'm sure there'll be another supplier selling the exact same one. And you can see they're charging $57 for this, right? Whereas on AliExpress, they're only charging $14.
Say what?
So now for the fifth and final way of saving money is basically looking for in-store coupons. A lot of people miss out on coupons and it's just very easy to find. So for example, I'll be using KFC. As you can see, I'm on the KFC website, and on the website, it literally has another redirect for in-store coupons. You can see you'll get these deals here. And as you can see, they're selling the exact same thing on the site, but with these in-store coupons, you get it for a little bit cheaper. But again, over time, this can save you heaps of money. So yeah, that's all 5 of them. And if you guys do know any more, please feel free to put them down in the comments and share them with everyone down below. And if this video did help you indeed, please like and subscribe. It means a lot, and I hope this helped. Thank you very much. Have a great day.